Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today I am back at the big park because every park I go to seems to be full of people, and I know that this park is generally always empty, so hence why I'm always here. Now what are we doing today? I'm going to do another trick series video, and today's trick that I'm going to try and teach myself is the inverted yaw spin. Inverted yaw spin. So welcome to today's video, everyone. Let's roll. Okay, well, that first battery, not bad. Still trying to get that horizon right. But the actual yaw spin itself seems to be okay. Trying to do it in the middle of a trick would be different. So I think with this battery, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, there's a guy behind that tree line over there hitting golf balls. So I'm going to hit these trees here and see if I can't either forward flip, back flip, or roll into it and then yaw spin and then come back out of it. We'll see how we go. Okay, so the inverted yaw spin, harder than I thought. Definitely has to be that kind of level attitude when you're yawing, because then it starts starting to look at the ground and things. But we'll get there. Just more batteries, more time on the sticks, and we'll get there. So with that, as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.